Hi everyone, Sarah here from Sarah Homfray Embroidery, just dropping in with a little bit of news for you. So I've got a couple of things that I want to talk to you about. I am teaching again, and I've got a little bit of news about the shop as well that I need to tell you about, but let me start with the teaching. So I found this wonderful classroom in the forest. It's in Sherwood Pines, that's in the north of Nottinghamshire, not far from where I live, and I'm going to be doing a couple of day classes there. The first one has already sold out. I put it on social media and it went in 15 minutes, I think it was. So I put on a second day and there's still a couple of places left on that. So if you would like to join me in this magnificent forest, I would love to see you there. We're going to be doing a kind of embroidered textile come sampler, and we're going to have it, we're going to base it on the forest. We're going to be inspired by the forest. We're actually going to go out into the trees. The classroom has got its own little forest area right by the classroom. We're going to go out there and look at the environment that we're in, and I'm going to show you how you can be inspired that and how you can bring that into your embroideries. We're going to make a little roll, something like this. I'm going to roll it for you upside down. Something like, not this big because it's taken me a long time, but probably about that big. We're going to make this little roll. Now, I've been collecting lots of wonderful fabrics for you that we can use in our projects, and we've got some wooden rolls as well that you can wrap your textile around, and I'm going to provide all your materials too, and your lunch as well. And we're going to have a really lovely, mindful, relaxing day stitching in the forest. So I'm excited to be actually teaching again in person. It's been a long time since I've taught a class with real people in front of me, and we've done so much online. We've got so many videos on YouTube and we can reach all around the world, but this is a unique opportunity to come and actually do some stitching with me. So I'm excited for that. So the date, I haven't told you the date yet. The date is Friday, the 10th of May. That's for the second class, and it will be all day on Friday. And if you want more information about this class, and how to get there and what's involved and what you need to know about the class, it is on the classes page on my website. So if you look in the learning zone, and then it's classes with Sarah, but I will put a link to that in the description below this video so you can go straight to that page. Then all of the information that you need is there, including the booking link if you want to book with me. So just a couple of places, so if you want to come on that, do get in there quickly. I look forward to meeting you all in the forest. It's going to be a really wonderful day of stitching in the trees. So the other thing I need to tell you about is the shop, because Jonathan and I are going away for a little break, and what we're actually going to do this time is shut the shop. We normally leave it open, but what that means is when we get back, it's usually a bit manic and there's so much to catch up on, and the videos get behind and everything else gets behind. So we thought what we're going to actually do this time is we're going to shut it just for the period that we are away, so that when we get back we're ready and we're refreshed to make some more videos and some more content for you. So we will open it as soon as we get back. So you need to get your orders in. So we are going to shut it on Friday the 15th of March. So that's not this week, it's next week, next Friday. Your orders need to be with us by 3 p.m. on that Friday. That's Greenwich Mean Time, so UK time, and we will dispatch the orders that day. So if you want something for Easter, you need to get in by then for your embroidery materials by Easter, and then we will open it again when we get back. It's actually a Good Friday, it's the Easter weekend. That's the 29th of March, Friday the 29th of March. The shop will be open, and it will be open for the Easter weekend, and they will dispatch all your orders on Tuesday the 2nd of April. So I will put all that information on the website, but I just wanted to forewarn you in case anybody comes on and goes, "You're not open, where are you?" We're actually just going to shut for that short period we're away, and then we will open again for Easter. And while I'm here and all set up, I'm going to do some more filming today. So I'm going to do a few more stitches for our stitch sampler project. If you want to join in with this one, you can do that up here. You can go and check this playlist out. It shows you how to set one up and all the stitches that we have done so far on that. And I'm also going to film another one for our patrons and our channel members as well. Thank you very much for your support, guys. So I've got a busy day ahead. I best get on with it. I will see you soon.